People are trying long ago, they cannot make it. They have taken your golden spoon while you were young. That is your star. Let me also let you know about the things of God. This is a golden spoon. Listen to me. This spoon is not, it's not a spoon, it's a prophetic spoon. These are prophetic spoon. Now, I am about to now give to you. Who are thou that say you cannot enjoy your labor? Who are thou that say you cannot enjoy your food? But right now, this golden spoon is ready for you. It's a prophetic golden spoon. I want to give it to you. I want to give it to you because I want your life. There is sweetness in your life that which the enemies have taken. Now, I want to let you know that this time around, there shall be no going back. Try this one. Well, how are you going to try it? You're going to use this one with what is called, there is a sugar here. This is called a sugar. This sugar that which is here, and you're going to see how it works. You're going to use it because this sugar, it is also blessed. Are you hearing me? Now, this spoon, you're going to carry this spoon, you're going to put it right inside here. Listen, this is how you're going to do it. You're going to open it here. Inside here, look at it. There is sugar here. Now, once you now take this one, you now put it. Now, every Monday, Tuesdays, you can use it. Tea, you can use, not every.
People are trying long ago, but they cannot make it. They have taken your golden spoon while you are young. Where was this golden spoon kept? Now you are now selling a spoon to replace that spoon. What type of spoon was taken? And where did the family... Are you trying to tell me that Dangote now, or $10 and Co, all these people working hard for their money, Tony Lumelu, Adelekes and the rest, they had one golden spoon somewhere. That's why they are more successful. Okay, now, that's not even a problem. I see say that they advertise spoon, golden spoon. It's not breaking any law by advertising spoon. But you have previously advertised water. You have previously advertised handkerchief, towel. I must carry my Samuel apple. You have previously advertised lights. Golden key has fallen from the sky. All these things you previously advertised were supposed to work for something. One thing, prosperity. In the previous, the reason why you keep on advertising new thing, I want to believe that it is because the previous things did not work. So are we sure that this golden spoon will work? Because I'm interested. I feel like I want to buy the golden spoon. Because I want to be a golden boy as well now. I want to believe that this golden spoon will make me the new Dangote. I want to kick Dangote off. Why would Dangote be the only richest man? Let me buy golden spoon. But anyways, it's still not breaking the law by advertising spoon. Now who won't be Mumume go do? The reason for this video is simple. Dear Prophet Jeremiah Obotofufeyin, I saw the sugar in the video. I don't know whether you are selling. But even though you are selling or you are giving it for free, you have to pass through some regulatory bodies. So who approved your sugar? Who approved your sugar? Did you go through Standard Organization of Nigeria? Did you go through NAFDAC? Who approved your sugar? And how are we sure that if we take this sugar, it will not go and damage our system? This is just a very simple question with all due respect. Do you understand? Now, to the old Nigerians, please, una dey here, oh, I won't go buy that spoon. I'll send person go buy the spoon before I won't buy them. If I use that spoon, it no work, I go sue. I will press charges. I will press charges. If the spoon no work, una dey here before they say very dark man, they find trouble. So far say you put it on the internet, it's for everybody's consumption. If you put up a video on the internet, it's for everybody's consumption. Unless if to say, now one intellectual property, but it's not saying now sell, you won't sell. It's for everybody. If I buy, I no work, I go press charges. So, and to the other people I won't buy. Now, Nasabi, but I won't be saying before he sells that sugar, or if he won't sell, or even if he decides to give it for free, he must give me or show us his approval from NAFDAC or Standard Organization of Nigeria. Thank you very much. And don't play. And like I always say, you go and learn. And anybody can learn. Whether old or young, you can still learn.
I admire this man of God, Jeremiah Omoto. I really do. Because no matter how people challenge him, no matter how much people called him out for the terrible things he does, no matter how much people say his things are fake and they don't work, he doesn't let that bother him for a second. He keeps a straight face and keeps going. He doesn't care. He has no time for distractors. He has no time for people calling him out. He has no time for them. He has sold almost every single thing you can possibly think of. He has sold them in his church. And he just came out with a golden spoon. Yeah. And according to him, this spoon will bring back all your luck that was stolen when you were way younger. According to Jeremiah Omoto, some of you guys out there are not succeeding, not because you are stupid or ignorant or foolish or have no idea about how a particular thing should be or is being done. That's not the reason. The reason you are not succeeding is because someone has stolen your star. Someone has decided to block you from succeeding. That is the reason you're not succeeding. According to Jeremiah Omoto, that is the reason. That even if you don't know anything, even if you don't understand the fundamentals of anything, you are supposed to be succeeding. And for the fact that you are not succeeding, for the fact that things are not working out with you, then there is just but one explanation to that. Someone is behind it. Some people are against you and they have stolen your luck. So this golden spoon that he is selling would bring back your luck. And you have to use the golden spoon to eat some sugar that he is going to provide for you. And this sugar is all miraculous. These people, it is Dr. Ebert Damina who puts it correctly, that they will do whatever it takes. They will bring the sky to the earth just to make sure that their source of income is not interrupted. They will do everything humanly possible to protect their source of income. It doesn't matter how far they have to go. They will go. They will go. Jeremiah Omoto, he's selling everything. What has this guy not sold? You just name it. What hasn't he sold? He has sold everything you could think of. And people are calling him out on that. People are making mockery of him, but he is just doubling down on it. And he is just selling and selling and selling and selling. That is Jeremiah Omoto for you. Listen, my brothers and sisters, okay, let me just make this one small point before I go. And I believe I have said this on this platform countless times. If you are out there thinking that your problems are going to be solved miraculously, then you are in for the long haul. If you are there thinking that the only way you solve your problems is by a man of God selling you one ridiculous thing or the other, I'm sorry to disappoint you. That won't work. That has never worked. It won't work. You are not special. It won't work. It will not work. You have got to learn to solve your issues all by yourself. No one Believe me, no one will do that for you. No one. So, what you have to know is this. Do your best to solve your problems. Wake up in the morning, ask yourself questions. What am I to do to make my life better? What am I to do to make sure that my tomorrow is better than my today? What am I to do to make that struggling business become a success? Do I need to acquire more skills? Do I need someone to educate me on how to go about doing this thing? These are the questions you should ask yourself. And when you do ask yourself these questions, you will see that there is so many things you should have learned or you need to learn, and you can start figuring out how to go about learning them. Believe me, my brothers and sisters, there is nothing as signs and wonders. There is nothing as that. You have got to work for every single thing that you get. You will have to work for it. Every single one of them.